What's up, tube dudes? Another beautiful day today here in Pennsylvania. Nothing's green yet. It is very dead from that winter. But man, 70 degrees, loving this. I'm gonna take a nice stroll, take you guys to the lake today. Enjoy some fresh air through your computer screen. Yesterday I forgot to upload the part 2 of my knife talk walk, so I uploaded it today. Today I got my Master Smith on my back. I got pants on that don't have belt loops, so I put my belt around my shoulder and neck. Beautiful view right here. Bam. Talk about a knife today. A particular knife. When I'm always talking about knife values and trends, this and that, this here is a knife that no trends, nothing trendy about it, nothing over hyped about it. In my opinion, Master Smith knives are the real deal. I mean, look at that Damascus. That's a 20,000 layer feather Damascus. Very sweet. Very sweet. I love looking at that. I love how it's centered on the hardware, on the fittings. That's more than hardware, they're fittings. Dead center, see the pattern? Nice 1/4 inch thick stock. Titanium coined liners, mammoth ivory. But yeah, pure skill. This is a Kyle Royer, aka his mark. Pure skill. You know what I'm saying? No overhype. It's not about follower count or popularity. It's purely about the skill of this knife. There's nothing trendy on it. It's old school. This has been being done like this for years. For centuries. For centuries. And that's just the kind of shit I like to collect. You know, trends are fun, trends are cool, but there's nothing better than a timeless design, timeless materials, you know, that have staying power. Nothing's about a name. It's pure skill. Double edge blade. The clip is sharpened. A sculpted guard. Coined titanium liners, domed pins. Try and get this to focus. Domed pins, keeping it together. Nice pommel nut. See if I can get that Damascus pattern to show. Nice butt plate and pommel nut. I just love how this knife is constructed. Frame tank construction. The tank 1/4 inch thick goes through this frame. This guard is popped over the frame to keep it, you know, everything keeps itself together. The pommel nut, the guard, it's all keeping life together. I'll keep this video short, guys. Just wanted to show you this blade on this beautiful day today. 1 second though. 1 second. One more thing here. Paul Long sheath. Show you a bunch of cool leather here. Paul Long sheath, quilted tooling, frog inlay. Beautiful job. Hop leather, 1/4 inch thick belt. It is a carry belt. Frog inlays. SN Metalwork belt buckle. Custom titanium belt buckle. Again, 1/4 inch thick. A lot of 1/4 inch thick. This blade stock's 1/4 inch, this belt buckle's 1/4 inch, and the belt's 1/4 inch. But everything I love right here, I love this rig. Beautiful rig right here. Oh, damn, son. Beautiful rig right here. I wish I could get a better picture. Alright, peace.